Good morning students, welcome back to the online session for standard 5th computer subject. In the last session, we have done the practical session was there, in that we did the spelling and grammar. Hope you understand and you have done your homework at home on your computer if you got computer at home. Now today we are going to start with the creating table in Word. Now what is a table? Table is a tabular form, is a tool used to write the data in tabular form, to display the data in form of a table. If I want to display any text in the form of table, I can use the table option from the Word menu. Table is a very useful tool to write tabular data. A table is made up of rows and columns. The place where a row and column meet is known as a cell. So what is a table? It is a combination of rows and columns. Now where the rows and columns intersect, that particular is known as a cell. Creating table in Word is very easy task. Now you can very easily make the table in Word. For preparing a table, you can just go to the Insert tab and click on table. There you can get different options of table. There are 6 different methods to create a table. The first one is selecting the rows and columns. You can just take out page number 39, in that selecting the rows and tables. With this option, you have to just select the rows and number of columns, number of rows you want, and just select it from the mouse, and you can easily make the table in your Word file. I'll show it practical also how to do it. Today we are just going the theory part, then we'll start with the practical in the next week. Next week we'll be doing the practical for this. So as shown in the diagram on page number 39, creating table by selecting rows and columns. You have to just select the rows and columns, the number of rows and number of columns you want. Just select the rows and columns, and your table will be created according to that. Second one is inserting a table with putting the rows and columns, how many rows and columns you want. That is insert table. Selecting this option displays insert table dialog box, where you can specify the number of columns and number of rows in the table. Now when you take this option, it will ask you how many rows you want, how many columns you want. You have to specify the rows and columns there, and the table will be created. The third one is draw table. You can manually draw the table according to your choice by selecting the lines, the rows and columns as given on page number 40. Draw table option is used to create a complex table. Many times it happens that the table is very difficult to make with the inserting rows and columns, because in that sub rows are there, sub menus are there. So you can always create a table by using the draw table option. Next is converting text to table. Some text you have written and you want to convert that text into a tabular form. For example, I am writing the days of the week. So I can write the days of the week in Word. I can type it directly by putting the comma, and then I select it and insert and take the option convert text to table. So automatically that written part will go in a tabular form. Only thing you have to remember is you have to give comma then space. After one word, then comma, then space, and just go on typing the text. Then after typing the text, select the text and go to convert text to table. Automatically that text will be in a tabular form. This example also on page number 41, example also is given for the months of the year. See that months are written in straight line, then it is converted to table. Next is the fifth one is Excel spreadsheet. This option inserts Microsoft Excel spreadsheet in Word document. If I prepared a Excel sheet, I prepared some calculations, I have done some calculations in Excel. If I want to bring that Excel sheet in Word, I can use this option, that is Excel spreadsheet. And the last one is quick tables, page number 41. This option has some ready-made table formats. You can select any one of them and then enter the data of your choice. This pre-formatted table can further be modified according to your requirements. Using this option, you can create colorful tables very quickly. So quick tables means there is a pre-formatted, predefined tables, ready-made tables are there in Word. You can select that option, whichever table you want. There are colorful tables, ready-made tables in Word. You can select that option and you can use that as a table. Then you can insert your text. According to your text, you can design the layout also. So this is how you can insert tables. There are 6 different methods to insert the table. All these 6 methods we are going to do practically also in the next week. Hope you understand very clearly, and if any doubts are there, always free to message me. Thank you and have a nice day.